Creating a CV in Microsoft Word is a straightforward process. Here's a concise guide. Select a template. In Word, you can find pre-designed CV templates by clicking File, New, and then searching for Resume or CV in the template search bar. Choose a template that suits your style and profession. Fill in your information. Click on the placeholders in the template to replace them with your own details. Include your name, contact information, summary or objective statement, work experience, education, skills, and any additional sections relevant to your CV. Formatting. Customize the fonts, colors, and formatting to make your CV visually appealing and easy to read. Ensure consistency in fonts and bullet points. Work experience. List your work experience in reverse chronological order, starting with the most recent job. Include the company name, job title, dates of employment, and key responsibilities and achievements. Education. Mention your educational background, including degrees earned, institutions attended, graduation dates, and any honors or awards. Skills. Highlight your skills, both hard and soft, in a separate section. Additional sections. Depending on your career, you may want to add sections for certifications, languages spoken, publications, or volunteer work. Proofread. Carefully review your CV for spelling and grammar errors. Ask someone else to proofread it as well. Save and export. Save your CV as a Word document and also export it as a PDF for wider compatibility. Use your name and then the term CV as the file name. Distribution. Attach your CV to job applications or email it to potential employers. Always tailor your CV to the specific job you're applying for.